Have you ever felt like your prayers are unanswered? Have you wondered if there's a secret to having your du'as accepted? Imagine if you knew the exact way to call upon Allah, the way that guarantees a response. In this video, we will uncover the secrets behind powerful du'as, the correct way to make supplications, and how you can transform your life through the power of prayer. Stay with us until the end, because what you're about to learn might change the way you connect with Allah forever. The key to a powerful dua starts before you even say a word. It begins with your intention. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us that actions are judged by intentions. When you raise your hands in supplication, ask yourself, why am I making this dua? Is it purely for the sake of Allah, or is my heart distracted? A sincere intention makes your supplication more powerful. It shows your complete reliance on Allah and your trust in His wisdom. A man once made dua for a righteous spouse, sincerely seeking a partner who would bring him closer to Allah. Within months, he found someone who not only matched his desires, but also strengthened his faith. This is the power of sincerity in dua. Did you know that choosing the right words can impact the acceptance of your dua? The best du'as are those taken directly from the Quran and Sunnah. Why? Because these words are already blessed and carry immense power. For example, the dua of Prophet Yunus, peace be upon him, when he was in distress. La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu minaz zalimin. Surah Al-Anbiya 87. This dua was so powerful that the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said that any Muslim who calls upon Allah with these words will be answered. So, be mindful of your words. Let them be filled with sincerity and wisdom. Have you ever made dua once and given up because you didn't see results? Imagine knocking on a door but walking away before it's opened. The Prophet, peace be upon him, told us that Allah loves persistence in dua. The key is to keep asking, even when things seem impossible. Consider the story of Prophet Zakaria, peace be upon him. He made dua for a child for years, despite his old age and his wife's barrenness. Yet he never lost hope. And then, one day, Allah blessed him with Yahya, peace be upon him, a son unlike any other. His story teaches us that no matter how long it takes, never stop making dua. Allah's timing is always perfect. While dua is a personal act, seeking knowledge enhances its effectiveness. Turn to scholars and those who have deep knowledge of Islam. Learn the etiquettes of dua, the times when supplications are most accepted, such as during the last third of the night, between the adhan and iqama, or when fasting. Additionally, seek support from family and righteous friends. When the companions of the Prophet, peace be upon him, faced difficulties, they would ask each other for du'as. Remember, when you make du'a for someone in their absence, an angel says, Ameen, and may the same be for you. This is the beauty of a connected ummah. Dua is not just about asking, it's about transformation. When you sincerely call upon Allah, your heart softens, your faith strengthens, and your connection with Him deepens. Many have seen their lives change through dua. A man struggling with financial hardship consistently made dua at tahajjud, and doors of unexpected risk, provision, opened for him. A sister who was lost in life found peace and guidance through her supplications. These are not coincidences. These are the signs of Allah's mercy. Now that you know the secrets to a powerful dua, what will you do differently? Will you be more intentional, choose your words wisely, and stay persistent? Allah is waiting for you to call upon Him. Start today. Raise your hands, open your heart, and watch how your life changes. If you found this video beneficial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Islamic content. May Allah accept all your du'as. Ameen.